Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm taking you on a walk down one of my favorite local food streets in Da Nang, Vietnam, Huỳnh Thục Khang Street. This isn't your typical tourist spot. This is where the locals come to eat, and almost every single building here is a small restaurant or a street food stall. We're going to see an incredible variety of authentic Vietnamese dishes. But make sure you watch until the end, because we're heading to a very special place, a banh mi shop that roasts its pork in huge traditional clay urns right on the sidewalk. You'll see how they prepare the meat and toast the bread over hot coals. The process is amazing, and the banh mi is one of the best in the city. This is a silent walking tour, so you'll only hear the real ambient sounds of the street to give you a truly immersive experience. If you want to know more about the specific foods and places we pass, be sure to turn on the English subtitles. If you enjoy this type of video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more authentic walks. All right, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy the walk.
Hello, yeah. Hello. Xin chào. Okay, thank you. Do you have QR code? I can pay with QR code. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.